Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to unbox and set up one of these Husky 7000 Lumen portable LED tripod work lights. This video is not sponsored in any way by Husky or by Home Depot where I got this. Opening up the lid here on the box, just taking a look at the top. It comes with an Allen key and your instructions. And looks like the lid here for each of the pieces. Take this out. Slide these parts out. Styrofoam. Okay. That's everything from the box. Okay. Looks like these are light fixture parts themselves. Oh, that's nice. They close together with magnetic latching, so they stay. Got your cord wound here. Okay, so we're going to press and hold in these release clips here and insert them into the upper piece, and you can feel in here there's going to be two holes for those to match, and this ridge here is going to fit on a little ridge this way, so it only goes in one way. It's going to be like that. All right, so now it says to release the tripod extension lock, which is the bottom one. You'll see there is an upper one here, but it's the bottom one, and that's going to deploy the legs, I guess. And then we are to lift the head upward until all three legs release. Like that. So we shook the legs until they released here, and slide all the way down so you can find an appropriate position where you want these legs to sit, like that, and then lock in the legs. All right, to raise the upper unit to a certain height, you release the upper lock here, and when I release this and it lifts this upper head, there's a shelf here, as you can't really see, but at that point you'll feel the bumpers clip into the hole above, so the top is secure. And so now you can lift that to the height you want and lock it where you want it to stay. And I found that just by running this up and down a little bit and locking it again, it's pretty sturdy when it's in the locked position. It doesn't want to go down. You really have to push it to get it to go down. So that is pretty stable. And now we'll unfold the lights themselves so they come out and they can rotate. And you see here your Allen key will allow you to loosen and tighten these places here. Same thing on the other side. So for example, if you wanted to have this angled up, you can see it just wants to fall down under its weight, but you put the Allen key in here, tighten it, and now it holds in place. And then if you want to loosen it, you can let it back down, just like that. So if we hold this up like this, okay. And this is a nifty little feature here. There's a slot here with two magnets in it, and it says when you're done adjusting your lights, you just store your Allen key right there in that magnetic little slot, and then pop it out when you need it, which is kind of nice, so that you have a spot to avoid losing this. All right, so we'll unwind the power cord here. Okay, so it's plugged in now. We spun it around to show you there's your switch. So let's turn it on. Oh wow, that is bright. Here it is from the side. It is extremely bright, white light, not too harsh. Obviously don't look into it, but that looks like great illumination for working on your car or anything else. All right, to give you an example, here's the engine bay of our old Chevy with nothing but the ceiling lights on in the garage. Here it is with a regular trouble light hung on the hood like that. And here it is with the LED lights on. You can see that's quite a difference. Plenty of illumination, exactly where you need it to be. So when you're done with it, drop the height of the post, let this come down. You can fold up the light, wind up your power cord, bring the leg down, or the pole down all the way, and then you can lock it in there. Release your tripod, pull your legs up, lock it, and then you can use the handle to carry it. And it's about a little more, maybe 4 feet long, but it just carries like a toolbox. So there you have it, the Husky 7000 Lumen portable LED tripod work light. Look forward to using it. Hope that was helpful, and thanks very much for watching.